Now that we've learned quite a lot of new words, how do we put them in the correct order? That's the topic of this lesson. In a German sentence, the verb is usually in the second position. Ich komme aus Spanien. I come from Spain. Ich wohne in Berlin. I live in Berlin. Ich spreche Deutsch. I speak German. This rule also applies to the so-called W questions. These are questions that start with W, such as woher, where from, wie, how, and wo, where. Let's have a look at some examples. Woher kommst du? Where do you come from? Woher kommst du? Wie heißen Sie? How are you called? Or what's your name? Wie heißen Sie? Wo wohnt er? Where does he live? Wo wohnt er? As you can see, in all three sentences, the verb is in the second position. A third category are questions that require a yes or a no answer. These are pretty easy to construct in German. The verb is in the first position. Sprechen Sie Deutsch? Do you speak German? But actually we say, speak you German? Sprechen Sie Deutsch? Wohnst du in Berlin? Do you live in Berlin? Live you in Berlin? Wohnst du in Berlin? Kommt aus den USA? Does he come from the USA? Comes he from the USA? Kommt aus den USA? In these examples, you can see that the normal word order is inverted and the subject follows the verb. Okay, so far about the German word order. Up next, we'll learn some additional vocabulary.